Okay, so members, let us see how we are going to handle this number of proof like this. So we are going to use here the factor formula from trigonometry. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, to start with, that if we have a product, you can convert from product to sum or from sum to product. We're looking at our proof, that is from product, then we need to convert to sum. If you convert sum, now this is the idea I'm going to use. You be careful. If this product is missing a 2, you create a half. Then if it's missing, if it has a 2, then you don't have a half this side, because multiply by 2 this half will go, then this 2 will be there. And you are going to see there that that sign of a negative angle, the same as negative side of that positive angle. So now, my left hand side is my left hand side, is my right hand side. So I want to show that this left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now, in my proof, I'm seeing that I have a sine x down. So to create that sine x, I'm going to create it from here. And that 1 is the same as sine x over sine x. So to put it the whole of to put this denominator for this also, I will cross multiply. Remember that this is over 1, so I will cross multiply. This times this, I have it there, then 1 times this there, then this times the 1, that's it there. Then this 8 is on already, so if I factorize it out, I have this, then minus this, then divided by that. Now you can apply our factor formula. Is that we have cos, we have cos, you see that we are missing a 2, so we shall create a half. So now this will be now into 8, now open brackets. I have here my half, then cos. I'll add these angles, this plus this. Then plus, when I subtract these two angles, then cos of 3x minus 2x. The whole of this half is multiplying the whole of this thing, like this. Then when I come down to this is for this, then I'm coming for this and this. So I'm missing a 2. So I'll say now times a half, now in brackets. And I'll be adding now, so here I have cosine. We have cosine, we say create a half, then sine of, then plus sine of x minus x. All of this is there. But remember, we have a bracket that is commanding them. This bracket here. Then minus sine x. But the whole of this is in a big bracket. We are dividing with sine x. So from there you can simplify. This would be in 2 brackets, the big bracket, 8. Then this half times this half, we are going to get our quarter. Now, we start into, here I have cos 5x plus cos x. Then times, here I have this, multiply this together is a quarter. So here I have, then plus sine of a 0. Then the whole of this, we are subtracting off sine x, and after dividing with sine x this denominator. Now this will be 0. I'm going to multiply. Here I'm going to be adding a 2 out. Then I have now sine 2x times this. Okay, let me open brackets at once. This will be 2 into cos 5x plus cos x, then sine 2x remaining, because sine of 0 is 0, and all of this I'm subtracting sine x, but in big brackets, then divided by sine x. So let me apply these 2, and these are going to open brackets. I'll be adding now 2, this times this times this make to sine 2. Then you multiply here, sine 2x, cos 5x, then plus 2 times this, you get 2, this times this, sine 2x, sine x. The whole we are dividing through by sine x. Now it's that here we are adding the 2 on the product, so we are adding the 2 on the products. So we have this 2, you don't need to put that half, we just do the 8. So this will be now, we add these angles, sine of 2x. Then plus, my arm to this now, then plus, when you subtract those angles, then minus sine x, the whole divided by sine x. Of that thing. So this will give us sine, this was x, sine 7x, then plus sine negative 3x, plus sine 3x, then plus sine x, then minus sine x, then after I divide this with the sine x. Minus that, this will vanish. Then this side of a negative angle, we say it's this. So right in this I'm adding now sine 7x minus, bring out this negative. Then this one vanished. After this, we divide it with sine x. That's that this one is also going down. So we have on the sine 7x divided by this. So this will give us sine 7x divided by sine x. And you see that this is our right hand side. And the proof is complete. So that's how we handle that, members. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you the best.